I restarted the laptop, still the issue is same. Why? Because of this is the version. Okay, there is a lower version. I hope it has been updated in this computer. Okay, let me verify uh, WSL version. Okay, uh, let me you can give update directly, or you can use first verify with version. I think this is not supporting. It has to get it right. Some issue is there. Let it be. We'll try to update directly. Okay, update. No, this is also not functioning well. Maybe operating system is not suitable. I think so. Maybe. Then I will go directly into the store. Okay. Windows WSL means Windows subsystem for Linux, means it will work internally for podman. Okay, for that reason we are trying to install it. Second method, this is not functioning, we'll try with this one. It will take some time, let it be. We'll see how it goes. This is not functioning. We'll try with this store. Okay, Microsoft Store, we can download and we'll try to install it. Then we'll try to again we'll verify the configuration settings. Still it is getting, it is updating. We'll see. Preparing to download, verifying the license for device. Okay, now it is installing it. I think so 199 MB. Okay, 2% has been completed. It is taking time for me. 35% has been completed. Okay, it's going fastly. After that we'll verify again. We'll go back to podman and verify. Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, almost it is done. 199 is completed. It is done almost. We can close it. Okay, go back to podman, again verify. Yeah, it's done. See, it is ready to install podman 5.3. okay, in coming video I'll show you how to do all those things. Okay, few minutes back I told, right, WSL as per screenshot, like we have seen, right, we have given WSL version, right, it's not working. See, it is updated. Because of that previously it's not working, right? Now it is updated. For our clarification I'm saying, you can give WSL hyphen version. Okay, then WSL dot exe hyphen version, this is also fine. Previously it's not updated. Now you can see the version, WSL version is 2.3. okay, previously you have seen 1 point something, right? Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.